everyone, it's your girl Kenada Smith coming at you with another video. In today's video, we will be going over how to file a FTC report. An FTC report will be used in certain items on how you dispute certain stuff. Sorry about that, that was my phone. Alright, so let's hop in. First, you're going to go to www.identitytheft.gov. Don't worry, I will include it in the description box. And you're going to click here, get started. Which statement best describes your situation? You want to click, I want to report identity theft. What did the identity thief use your information for? You're going to click credit card accounts. This is most likely what everybody is going to do. Tell us how your information was misused to open a fraudulent credit card account. Report identity theft to the FTC. Next, we are going to ask for specific details. We will use the information you provide to create your FTC identity theft report. These will help you fix your problems caused by identity theft. Click continue. Alright, so once you get to this page, if you are trying to dispute a collection or a charge off, this is where that would go. If you don't know what the difference between a collection and a charge off, just comment it down below and I will answer that question for you, as well as I might do a separate video on that. Okay, so what company or bank issued the credit card? You will put that information in here. I'm currently doing this for a client, so let's see here. Let's start with TransUnion. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to go on to my client's file and I'm going to copy the account. When did you first notice this problem? You want to always put the current month that you're in and the current year that you're in. So for me, that would be January 2025. If you know, tell us when the account was opened. So you want to come back over here. It was opened on December 16, 2022. So we're going to need December 2022. So December 2022. Alright, if you know, estimate the total fraudulent charges. You're going to come back over here. The balance right here, you're going to put $692. Now, if you pull your credit report from somewhere like myfreescore.com, then after that you'll be able to see your account number. But seeing that we're just using Credit Karma for this example, we don't have that, but I recommend pulling it from somewhere that does have your account number, and then you can put in your account number here. Alright, and then you would click add another company if you have more than one. So that comes here, then you would do it again. So I'm going to do it again with y'all. I'm going to go back to accounts. I'm going to go back to the second one. Did not mean to do that. Alright. You just copy and paste that here. I'm going to do this a little quicker this time, since y'all know. Oh, I'm sorry. I put December as January. No wonder. Alright, now for this. When was it open? December 2022. I'll type it in 563. Block that out. Copy that 563. Alright. And I'm not going to put the account number even though they have it, just because all the other ones didn't have an account number. So we're going to leave it at that, and we're going to click continue. We will put in your name here. I'm gonna wait on this because I have to call my client, but you will put in your phone number. It's gonna ask to verify your phone number, so make sure it's correct. You'll put in your email. Who are you filing this complaint for? Always put myself. Even if you're doing it for a client, you want to put yourself. Okay, date of birth. Gonna keep these the same. Click continue. Oh, I forgot I gotta do the phone number thing. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, so then you're gonna go and click continue. Alright, then here, do you know anything about the person who stole your identity? No, not at this time. Additional information, have you reviewed a copy of your credit report? You're going to say yes. Were there any fraudulent accounts included in your credit report? You're going to say yes. Was any personal information wrong in your credit report? Now, this is where you're going to dispute all the incorrect personal information. So if you have your social is wrong showing on your credit report, if your date of birth, you should only have one name and not a whole bunch of different names, just one name. If you're married, 2 names. Okay, if you're a female. Alright, if you have any incorrect addresses, it doesn't matter if you lived there previously. You need to go ahead and dispute it. You should have one address on your file, because if you have a whole bunch of addresses, it looks like you are not stable to lenders. Phone numbers, you should have one phone number and one employer. Okay. Alright, guys, so I selected names, address, employment information for my particular client that I'm working with. So right here, you want to list all the incorrect names and separate them using commas. List the incorrect addresses, list the incorrect employment. Alright, guys, so right here is where you're going to put inquiries. So as you can see, under company name, so we're going to come down here. She has one inquiry right here. You just copy and paste it. And you can also put the date, put the date in here as well. Put the date, let's see, where's the date? Go back. November 20th, 2023. So I'm gonna put 11 November 20th, 2023. Add it. Then for check my TransUnion. Put the date for this one. November the 17th, 2024. November 17th. Oops, 2024. This one doesn't have any. Oh wait, actually no, mine it's right here. I see it. Okay. Wait, we're gonna delete this one. We're gonna put it. We're gonna add the date. November 2023. November 2023. Alright, it only lets you add 3 inquiries at a time. This also has some inquiries, I believe, but that's fine. We're going to get that on the next round. Alright, or you could just make another FTC report. Have you requested a fraud alert from 1 or 3 national bureaus? So no, if you have, you can put yes. You're going to have to remember the date. If you don't remember, just put no. No for all of this. Click continue. Personal statement. You can write whatever you would like in this personal statement. I'm gonna put please remove these fraudulent accounts immediately. Okay, continue. And I'm gonna blur this out, but this is a lot of this information is personal information. I'm gonna blur out, but this is the FTC report, as you can see here. Gonna scroll down to the bottom of the page, click this box, click finalize. It's gonna ask you, did you want to create an account or do you want to submit it without creating an account? You're gonna submit without creating an account. Submit without an account. Click continue. You can create an account if you would like, but it's just simpler just to not create one. Then you're gonna download your report. And you're gonna save it to your computer, and that is literally it, guys. You just created your own FTC report. I'm gonna have to blur this out because again it has personal information. But thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment them down in the description box. Just comment them down in the comments below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.